Hi, my name is Mrinalini from Informatica Support. I'm going to go through how to bulk load to Greenplum Database through using the product PowerExchange for Greenplum. So in this video agenda, we have how to utilize PowerExchange for Greenplum to invoke a bulk utility called GP load from EMC Corporation. The prerequisites to install the PowerExchange for Greenplum, and a few steps on installation of PowerExchange for Greenplum and configuring a session target to use Greenplum Writer. So first, we would go to the Unix system where I have the first prerequisite is to install the GP load, which is an utility which bulk loads the Greenplum database. GP load is an installation which need to be installed before installing PowerExchange for Greenplum, which is an Informatica product which utilizes the GP load. So we need to download this GP load utility from EMC. After the installation of the GP load, you will have this directory structure. So to making sure the profile is set, we would run this Greenplum loaders path.sh, which would set the Greenplum loader path and the Python path. We need Python because Greenplum loader uses a control file which is in the Python script of YAML. So we need Python to read this YAML file. First we need to run this Greenplum path.sh. After we run this, to make sure the GP load can be invoked from the command prompt, go to cd bin where the GP load utility is available, execute. So GP load gets invoked without error. So this helps us to verify the GP load is installed with the right profile. After this is done, we need to have PowerExchange for Greenplum, which is a connector, needs to be installed in the same directory as Informatica server bin. Once you run the installation of PowerExchange for Greenplum, it's an adds and library in the server bin. Which has library in the server bin like pmgpwriter.so, gp _en.res. These are the two files which gets installed in this Informatica server bin directory. And also under this directory structure of Informatica server bin plugin, there is a Greenplum connector.xml, which is an XML which needs to be registered in the Informatica administrator console. So you need to move this XML file back to Windows box, wherever you want to register this plugin, or you can register the same plugin from the command line like with the pmrep utility. If you're planning to register the plugin from the administration console, this XML file needs to be moved to the desktop. So the repository, in the repository, this already has plugin registered. PowerExchange for Greenplum database. So you bring the repository in exclusive mode and click on the register plugin. Click on the icon register plugin, choose the XML file and provide the repository administrator login and click on register plugin. Once the plugin is registered, bring back the repository in normal mode, and when we go to the workflow manager, we would see a new connection called Greenplum Writer for Greenplum targets. So we need to configure a session with the Greenplum Writer and a Greenplum connection. The Greenplum connection would have the hostname, port, database. Then depends on the whatever the choice we want for the method of insert update to the target. And the delimiter escape characters are definitions for the external table, the pipe data, how the data can be resided on the external table with what kind of delimiter, and we need to escape the delimiter in case the data contains the same delimiter. Once we are done with this, we would start this task. And in the session log, we could see the GP load, which is an external process, has started and completed the load. And in case of more debugging is required, we can turn on the very verbose logging. And we have some of the knowledge base article and a PowerExchange for Greenplum user guide available. So please provide us the feedback on email at supportvideos@informatica.com or on Twitter. Thank you.